we are, as you know, we are doing fraction decimal percentage, and currently we are doing fractional decimal percent 2. Last time I gave you this question as homework. Now we will proceed from here, and in the last video all these things were explained. 1 divided by 20, it is 0.05, which you can calculate using the concept I taught you. Now we are moving from here. So the next page shows this question. Complete this table by filling in the blank spaces. And there is, suppose you have fraction, top divide by bottom, you get a decimal, multiply by 100, you get percent, put it over and cancel down, and you get fraction. So fraction to decimal, decimal to percent, that I told you earlier also. You are very frequently asked in these exams. So suppose this is fraction. So you divide numerator by denominator and you get decimal as 0.3, and 0.3 is what percent? You can do it, multiply this part by 10. So 10 times 10 is 100 and 3 times 10 is 30. So it will be 30%. I'll just mark it and see this is correct. So similarly you can complete all these. They are very easy to understand. If you have any doubt, please do ask me. Don't hesitate. I will explain you all the questions. For example, I would like to do one more question. So if it is 0.05, this you can write as 0.5 is 5, and in the denominator there will be 100. 100. It should be 100. It is not letting me. Okay, let me check. 100. I have placed 2 zeros, but it is not showing here. I don't know. And that is equal to 5%. So let me mark it and see what it says. 0.05, 5 by 10. This is correct, and it is not showing anything here. I want to press here and mark here double 100, but it is not showing. There may be some technical issue. It is 5 by 100. So similarly you can do the rest of the questions. Then we have next set of questions. Match a pair of expressions that are same. So suppose 0.85 and these two are same. Similarly you can match out, say 37.5% is here. It should be equal to 375 by 10. 375 by 10. So you can find out, since I am creating videos, so it might take some time. So you can do these questions and let me know if you have any difficulty in doing any of these questions. So I can see another set of questions on the same page. So I would like to solve and help you with each question so that you have some idea how to solve them. This is 6 by 25, and 6 by 25, if you multiply 6 by 25 times 4 by 4, that gives you 24 by 100, which is 0.0 24. So this and this, I can write here 1 and 1. These two are matching. Now this is 0.5%. So 0.5%, let us try to find out. 0.5% will be equal to 0.5 by 100, because percent, whenever there is percent, the 100 comes in the denominator, and if you divide 0.5 by 100, the method that you have to apply, you write 5 here and decimal is here, remember. So you have to move decimal only 2 places. So one place is this and one place is this. From this place you have moved 2 places to the left, and then you have to write 100, it is there. So it becomes 5 by 100. 0.5 divided by 100. So let me check once again if I have done it correctly. 0.5 by 100. Okay, sorry, decimal is here, so you have to first change it into a whole number. So you can do that way also. So multiply numerator and denominator by 10. So what happens? 0.5 times 10 is 5 and 100 times 10 is 1000. So you get the same result which I got earlier, 0.005. So now this is, there are 3 zeros, so move this decimal from here, 1, 2, 3. That means you have to put the decimal here. So you have changed 0.5% into decimal, that is 0.005. Do you see any 0.005 in it? Okay, 5 by 2000, 5 by 1000 can also be written as equal to, cancel by 5, so 1 by 200. So I can see 0.5 is here and 1 by 200 is here. So you can do that. This and this will be, these two will be equivalent to each other. Now let us take 17 by 25. 17 by 25 is 17 by 20. 17 by 20 is 17 times 5 by 20 times 5, which is equal to 85 by 100, that is 0.85. So you can write here 0.85. So this is number 3 and this is number 3. I hope things are clear to you. Now let us take a look at another fraction, say 1 by 25. 1 by 25 you can write as, multiply this by 4, this by 4. So 25 times 4 is 100, and here you get 4. 4 by 100 is nothing but 4%. So you have this and this same. So now how many you are left with? This and this. Okay. So 17 by 50 and 34%. So 34% is 34 by 100, you already know, and divide by 2, you get 17 and 5. So after cancelling 34 by 100, you get 17 by 50. So you can mark this and this to be same. Now see how many boxes are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 to the 12. Out of 12 boxes, 4 are shaded. So 4 out of 12 after cancelling gives you 1 by 3. So you can write this and this. Now you are left with 5 by 6 and this. There are 6 equal divisions and out of which 5 are shaded. So this 5 by 7 and this shaded one, they will be same. And you are left with only now this and this. So just check with it. You will find 37.5%. Let me show you. 37.5%. You can write it as, since it is percent, so in the denominator you write 100. Now multiply here by 10 and here by 10. So what is going to happen? 37.5 becomes 375 if you know the decimal multiplication. If you don't know, then let me know, I will explain. The numerator becomes 375 and this becomes 1000. Now this is, if you divide, let me show you. You will get 3 by 8 because if I divide both by 5, what do I get? 5 7s are 35 and 275 here I get, and here I get 200. 5 if you divide by, yes, 200 times 5 is 1000. Now again divide by 5, so you get 15 and you get 40, and again divide by 5, you get 3. 5 3s are 15 and 5 8s are 40. So you are getting this. So this is number 8 and number 8 same. Hope the entire problem I have solved. It should be helpful for you. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.